Hello guys, welcome to CS Tech Solution. Today's is learning UI/UX design. Today's learn a common website layout. So website layout is a ways content and as a UI element are as a arrange on the web pages. And the good layout is help the user to understand the pages quickly, as a find the important information, as a navigate as easier, and now so what to as clicks and read the content as comfortably. And this image to show as some layouts as grid layouts and single page layout and as a split layouts. Let's check some common website layouts in detail. First, as a single colon layout, and everything is arranged of verticals in as a one main columns inside to show the image as headers, and after as a image and heading and text and the button has to give, and last as a footer is so, and come only as use for as a mobile website and the landing the page and the articles and the logging pages. And second is two column layout. The page is divided into the two section as a header, and after as a one left side as a sidebar in the menus and the links as to gives, and as another is a main content and the content image and the button has to gives, and the common use for as a dashboard admin panels and as blogs and e-commerce website, and the Gmail as same as the is the types of layout as to show. And the third is a three column layout. The page is contained three main sections and the header and left sidebars and the main content and right sidebar. And this the layout is useful, then there's is a lots of information to as a display. And however the designer should as avoid the makings to the as a page to as a covered. And fourth is a grid layout. Grid layout is a as a content into a rows and the columns wise as so, and three columns has to show, and as a two rows in this in the columns. And as a commons use for as product pages and the image galleries and the portfolios website, and as a news website. And fifth is as a card based layout, as information is placed inside a separate card, and card is like look like a product inside as a image and the text, and as a price and views inside as a content as to show. And as a one product and the another product has to give so another card, and the card is help the user as quickly the scan the different species of the information. And six is the full screens and the heroes layout, and the large image or as a visuals kept occupied the most of the screens, like navigations inside big headlines and short descriptions, and get the started in the image and the scrolls inside the horizontal, and the hero session has to show like discount and any videos in the any offer has to provide the companies, and often to use like landing pages and the product website marketing's website and the portfolio's home page. In the important of the website layout principles, and then the choosing the layout as considers as visual hierarchy, as make the important information stand out, and the example is a large heading and the supportive text and the buttons. Alignment, as a keep the element is aligned so the page is looked organized, and the spacings as a use the enough spacing between the element and so the page as does not feel as covered, and as a consistency as a use the similar layout and as the component throughout website, and responsive designs, and the layout should as a work on the desktop as a tablet and as a mobile. And for the example as a 3 card on the desktops must as becomes of 1 card as per the rows on as a mobile. Thank you guys to watch the videos. Please subscribe the channel, on the notification and bell icon.